Good day, students. This is Mr. J. Welcome to semester two. Now, as you know, semester two will be a very exciting and yet can be quite challenging for most of us, due to the many activities that may be going on and also more topics to learn. So we do have quite a challenge in terms of our timing as well as schedule. Now, as I have understood, some of you might not be always in school or at school. You might be involved in certain things representing yourself or even the school. So I have actually done some changes to the way we conduct our lessons in class. Obviously, we will still be doing our lessons in class, but I have actually topped it up with more support resources in the Google Classroom. As you should have already observed, before we even start our very first lessons, I have already uploaded the notes as well as worksheets together with the videos for the next lesson. So this is to encourage students who are waiting for the upcoming lessons to begin. They can have a so-called heads up as to what to be expected, and they can also take the time to start the learning themselves. So this encourages self-directed learning, and also it is very useful for students who might be missing lessons due to being overseas, or maybe you were absent due to MCs or even events and you tried to catch up, but yet you do not know where you have actually left off. So this is actually a very good place for you to know what should be filled up, or rather what gaps to plug in to ensure that your learning is right up to the maximum. So if you look at this, this is your Google Classrooms. And I would like to draw your attentions to um, the classwork tab over here. Right, just click on this. All right, okay. So what do we expect to see? Can you just look at it with me? Now, obviously, you will see the latest updates over here on this page, but I would like you to be more active to look at the topic filter. So if you click on the topic filter, right, okay, you will see that I have actually segregated some of this semester two items. For instance, the videos as well as the worksheets. Okay, they will be categorized under SEM2 videos and SEM2 worksheets. So if you have missed a worksheet, or if you want to catch up on some videos, you might want to go to the appropriate topics. As usual, if let's say we are doing geometry, I will create a topic on geometry. That is, if it has been started, and you might want to go in and see what has been done for the week or even for that topic. So this is how we can do that. And also on top of that, I have also included the class learning tools for the topics, which will be attached to the videos. For our geometry, if you notice, right, we have under geometry, we have got videos on indices and standard forms, right? Now you will notice that there is also a notebook, okay, that is attached to this videos. It is of course posted in another thread, but you can actually look at it in fact, and I do encourage you to go in and check that out. Okay, so I'm going to introduce to you this so-called notebook LM, whereby you can actually do your own learning. So now you will notice that for this, when you click, you will be going into the notebook LM, And this is where you will, learn something from this. For instance, if you want to know, okay, a breakdown on the videos that has been attached on in our Google Classrooms, you might want to click on, over here, the studio, maybe a mind map. Okay, you can click on this, and the mind map will be generated for you to look at it. So I have done that previously, and I would like to share with you what exactly it is. So for instance, for geometry, or rather not geometry, sorry, our next topic will be on exponents, laws of indices. So when you click on this, you will notice that this is our breakdown. So if you can see, under exponents, right, indices and standard form, the videos actually split out a few, and we can see that, okay, we will have to look at, for instance, for indices, right? What can we learn from it, right? The definition of it, the terminology of it, the components in exponents, how do you actually represent the indices in terms of the notations, and what exactly are the properties of indices? So you can actually try to click on it. For instance, if you want to know what is it about, okay, non-commutative. Okay, so what exactly non-commutative? So you might want to review back to the videos, right? So this is actually how we can nicely put it out to you. And even for the second part, whereby you'll be learning laws of indices, as you click on this, you'll realize that, there are a few laws that we are going to look at. For instance, multiplication. What do they mean by same base? So you can click on this, and you can see that, there's this thing called c to the power 2 times c to the power 5, which result into c to the power 7. So this allows you to actually recap, right, on the learning objectives from the videos that has been attached from the previous thread for you to have a look at it. So same goes for instance, negative power. Okay, what should we do? Okay, take the reciprocal, flip it, and for that to become a to the power of something. So you can have a look at it, okay? But I would advise you to maybe not just look at this mind map alone, but to watch the videos first. Okay, so do watch the videos, and then right after that, then go to this notebook LM. Okay, so it's going to be like this. Every topics would have follow-up videos. It's either from the YouTubes, or I will be recording it myself. And right up after that, there will be so-called a study notes for that. And in this case, for us, for your own self-directed learning, we will be looking at it from the Notebook LM. So you can try to play around with this, okay? Do feel free to do that, all right? So that you can actually have a good idea how this can be done to improve or increase your learning ability. So we do have flashcards as well, but I'm not going to give everything away. You might want to try that yourself. You can also generate your own quiz and test yourself right in this notebook LM, right? So it's a very good time for you to do that, and I would think that you should do that if you want to, improve or increase your learning ability, right? So this is actually going to be what we are going to do for SEM 2. All right. So if you have a questions regarding this, okay, you might want to check back with me. All right. So I think we are going to have a great time for semester 2, even though it might be challenging, but we will do well. Right. I believe in that, and I believe in you too. All right. So guys, do believe it, and then let's go for the best. All right. You can do it. We all can do that. Have a good time. Bye bye.